So welcome back to week 9. This is video 2 and we're starting at slide 6. So we're looking at communications and marketing. So now what is marketing? What does it mean? So marketing is how you promote your product to your customers. Okay. So on slide 7 it says here, what are we doing when we market things? Well, we're trying to turn people out there with a potential need for our service or our product into clients or customers. Okay, so we have to take whatever service or product that we build, create, offer, and convince people that they need it and they want to buy or use it. Okay, so even though we're saying Thora Public Library and they're not a for-profit organization, they still want to get customers, and they still, even their internal system, if we were at an IT department in an organization and we serve internally, we still want to prove that we're a good value and do marketing and get customers from within our organization. So why? Okay, we'll talk about that in class. But think about, if we don't have customers, why do we exist, right? So we want to prove that we're contributing to the organization, that we're helping achieve the strategic plan. So whether or not we have external customers or we're a not-for-profit or a for-profit, we always want to show that we contribute and bring people in. Okay, so the marketing mix. This is a traditional way of marketing your product or your service. And what you do, and I encourage you to watch this video, it's only about 2 or 3 minutes, and it explains what each of these things means, and it applies it to how you would market a product, market the price, market the place, or market the promotion. So for each of these things, we try to figure out what our customer thinks are going to be the important features of our product. And those are the things that we target in the marketing. And then we try to convince them that our product is a good value. So, with the library at Thora Public, we might say, look, it's a great value to come here because you pay tax money towards this library, but everything's free. Why would you want to go somewhere else? Then we think about where we want to promote, sell, advertise our product or our services. So do we want to promote Thora Public Library on bulletin boards in the community? Do we want to go to schools? And then how do we want to do it? Do we want to use social media? Do we want to have flyers? Do we want to have radio ads? We want to think about that. So in class, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the 4 P's of marketing and apply them to the CPA program here at Durham College. Okay. And when we're done, then I'll invite you to do this little check for understanding to make sure you understand what the 4 P's of marketing are. Okay, so I'll see you back for slide 15.